Lao show ka na no. Na dila yung passport change ko na.
ऊपर कर भी घेर देंगे यार
Adila dati password kakawaya mula
कमी हो देखिए गैलेक्सी A26 का ना
ah bas password makamusi wa chuga bago
Welcome back to another video, guys. We are here in Kettle. Cows, I really don't know what to say. I don't know much about them.
Yeah, you wouldn't. Hold on.
They're obviously above 100k.
We don't even know where we are.
Literally, I'm just following them.
There's no building anywhere.
Mm.
You can't see any buildings. So, what do you say? Blank.
Literally.
देखना अभी हम लोग क्या बीच पे
Eid. There are two Eids. There's Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, right? Eid al-Fitr has been passed. It's where we celebrate after Ramadan. And then Eid al-Adha, wasn't it?
Basically, we're here to get our cow. Wait, hold on. We're here to buy a cow for our Eid. Eid is a celebration, a religious celebration in Islam. We have to sacrifice either a goat or a cow, whatever to your liking. So yeah, we're here to get our cow today. We're literally on the outskirts. Okay, we're going in. Oh, shit.
We're literally walking on a pile of shit.
Look at it. Look at this cow. It's so brown. Look at this. Look at everything around here. This is so crazy. It's actually a really good experience to, go to places like this. It's fun. Really fun. It's like you see these things on social media and you don't see them normally. Damn. So we're all basically making a deal. We're making a deal on the cow, just like how we make deals on the cows or whatever. They're just talking about the prices. Oh my god, look at that one. Look at that one, the black one.
What is he, a zebra?
That thing has longer horns,
Dang, look at the
Let's go.
horns on it.
That's the. I was talking about that cow. Look front. This is a whole field of just cows, man. It's just whole cattle. Really? Probably there's another area. I mean, they were talking about it. Wow, I'm pretty sure there were more cows before.
We came more deeper into the area.
Yeah, we actually. Oh, hi! Look at this cow. Look at him. Hey. Koi.
It is pretty, bro.
Yeah.
Take a look at this area.
It's so windy and the whole sand just gets into our eyes, man. We should have brought our glasses.
Literally, my phone's covered in sand.
Yeah, I completely forgot how, bringing the sunglasses. I didn't even buy one. If only I bought one, maybe my eyes would have been safe. Whoa. This is crazy, dude. It's so random over here. It's not, but this is the fun.
जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं कि हमने इसके पैसे लगाए, ये दे नहीं रहा। आपको समझ आ रही है इसकी? ये ना आखिर में चांद रात वाले दिन कसाई को बेच के जाएंगे।
These cows are young.
All of them are nice colored,
These cows are young.
Yeah. I was thinking maybe we could have wear wood planks right under our shoes, you know,
Right.
so that the shit won't get on our soles, you know, under the shoes.
Yeah.
So maybe like a wood plank would be nice. Wow, my eyes! I can't see. I'm blind.
Like I'm in Metal Gear Solid.
Mm-hmm. That you mean the Phantom one?
The Afghanistan.
Phew.
Hey, bro, my eyes.
We're getting signal because of this. Thanks to this, we're getting a signal, bro. All right.
जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं सुजुकी लिए हैं, जानवर लोड करना है अभी हमने और फिर निकलना है, बस हो गई बात, हो गई। 10-15 मिनट लगेंगे। आप जाएंगे बंदूक का भी करके मैं ले जाऊंगा।
Look at this.
Oh, that's nice spots.
That's a unique color. Maybe it was colored, you know? Well, yeah, maybe it was colored on purpose. What do you think?
Probably. I don't know. I think so. I did on purpose.
Yeah, maybe you think so. Mm-hmm. All of them looking delicious, you know, for barbecue and whatever.
Yeah, I want to eat them now.
Me too.
Got a week left.
Uh-huh.
3 days.
Hmm.
Serious discussion.
Yeah, really. They can tell, like, literally which one's good or bad, you know? And then they're like, you know what? We want it for this price. We want it for this price. And then they just buy it. It's crazy. Oh, look at him. Let's go. Usman. वीडियो में आओ आ जाओ
खाना मुनेरा गुड़गोड़ का कबूल खाना हमारा मुनीर apa telah buat apa lo kau biar apa kah? Atalan tawar kamu diuji. Tadi tu yang apa?
I really hate the sand. It gets everywhere. It's irritating. What Anakin said. Oh, I understand why Anakin hates it so much. Oh, gets in your eye, gets in your shoe, gets on your skin. It's crazy. Trying to wipe my nose, but then I feel the sand instead of my skin. अपना नाम बताओ। आपका नाम क्या है?
उस्मान
क्या?
उस्मान
आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है? आपको गाय पसंद है या बकरा? दोनों? अच्छा। Well, that was Usman, you know that.
Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful.
दान कितना? हाँ, वो आज को मैं भी नहीं बखाई, हमको क्या बख्शेगा ये?
This is the cattle, otherwise known as a mandi in Urdu. Yeah. Every year, every Eid like this. In Pakistan, we just don't call it Eid, you know, but like we call it Bakra Eid because it's much more easier. I have no idea why they don't keep it the same. Uska?
अभी मैं आगे करता हूँ ये उसके
वो vet बन गया vet.
उनका वो बनाना है लोग
That cow's eye was damaged, he said.
Huh?
Yeah, he said that.
Yeah, पता है. बोला है. I do understand that. Like we're literally going up and down. Ah. This whole place is like obstacle courses. Whoa. There's so many people sleeping here, Ramiz.
Let's join them. Let's sleep too.
No way, there's so many flies.
Look at this dude, bro.
कितनी नहीं सुनूंगा भाई हाँ नहीं सुनूंगा स्पिन पूछो का आगा पूछा रहे
उसको नजर में रख।
मैंने पूछा हाथ में छोड़ा उसको
What the?
There's so many cows here. Oh shit. I guess we're going? It's not so stable, bro. It's all of them are wiggling.
Yeah, Pakistan, man.
Yeah, we can manage. People over here can literally manage literally everything. You don't even need to bring a technician at home. Yeah, your father or your brother is. Maybe your cousin or your uncle. Let's go ahead. I heard that we're gonna be here till night. Yeah, we might actually be here till night. Oh, look at that! This is a restaurant.
Wow. I miss mini restaurant.
Yeah, this is like a mini restaurant. Look at that tandoor. That's where naan is made. That's where all the cooking is happening. Salan and stuff. Salan, as if in curry. English. This is what we came in. You know? Yeah, this is what we came with.
मेरे साथ में हो गया उसे जी लग जा रहा हूँ मेरे पास बहुत हो गई
चल भाई आप बताना आपका नाम क्या है
मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद साद।
और कितने साल के हो?
मैं हूँ 19 साल का।
19? हो बे मेरे से ऊपर है 19। ओए मैं 20 का हूँ
माशाल्लाह।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। और कितने शादी करना चाहते हो?
शादी तो बस एक ही बहुत है।
और भाई
सऊदीया जा रहे हैं ना कुछ दिनों में।
नहीं
कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
आप सऊदी नहीं जाते भाई? आप
हाँ भाई सऊदीया चले जाओ।
हम दुबई जाएंगे।
भाई
ओए महंगी महंगी लड़कियां में।
A few minutes later.
आपका पहले आपका नाम क्या है?
जी
आपका नाम क्या है?
दिलबर
दिलबार। और आपके कितने जानवर हैं?
हमारे 6 बच्चे हैं।
6 बच्चे जानवर
जानवर हैं। जानवर कितने हैं?
6 तो बोला है ना 6।
जानवर
6
6 या। अच्छा कितने का बिके हैं सारे? लाइक कितने के हैं सारे?
3 का भी क्या कोड है क्या 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 2 का भी क्या है।
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
ये जानवर के हिसाब है ना।
Shit. Biscuits everywhere. Look at everyone showering here. Look at that. There's 4 right now. Damn. They look healthy, huh? I'm sure they look healthy. Pretty much I can't tell much, because of I'm more into cows instead of animals. But what did I say? ये कितने के? ये और ये?
सारे सामान
ये 280 का।
Let's see. That's 2,80,000. That's 2,70,000 South, right? Okay, that's good. और ये दो?
वो 280 का पर लगागा।
80.
ये 3 का।
Oh. So yeah, that's the. So none of them are going below 1 lakh, but it is going above it. So yeah, that's pretty much what you expect when you come to Ketlo, or otherwise called as Mandi. Yeah, so you pretty much have a lot of money. Well, these are all used for the sacrifices on Eid, so pretty much it's all worth it, really. And of course, they become a really tasty dish at the end, of course. Look at this, it's a cute one. Mashallah.
बंदे जापान से हैं।
Look at this one. I hope none of them are angry. I want to touch it, but look at this. हाथ लगा सकता हूँ, हाथ लगा सकता हूँ। गुस्सा तो नहीं है ना? Okay, let's see. Yep, it is. It's angry. Yeah, this one's angry. Look. Yeah. Yeah, this one's angry, you know. Might as well just hit me. Don't hit me, I got flight soon. All right, what about this one? Okay, that one's chill. That one's really chill.
But then look, yes, a spot there.
Oh yeah, I heard about that. When there's a bone or like the skin is going inward, it's not worth buying it or a healthy order. And that's what I heard. I'm not sure of it. Oh, give it a little slap. Give it a little spank at the end, you know. Although all of them are really cute.
Yeah, I like the brown one the most.
You always like the brown one, you know, the brown cows. You always like them.
I guess so.
Yeah.
When I was small.
Huh?
Since when I was
Yeah, even a goat. You even like the goat, you know. Right, turn it on. Oh, you took it out. Okay, you took it out. All right. Well. Okay, shukriya. You have to start speaking in English and you know, pretend that you don't know anything. Otherwise, they're gonna pursue.
Oh shit. Yeah, I said.
This.
अबू जियां जान मगन दी लगे ना
बैठो आगे चलते
Oh, let's go.
आगे चलते
चलो.
चलो कुछ नहीं अभी चलेगा सब चलता है
सब चलते. Alright, move. कहाँ बैठूं? आगे जाओ.
चलो जा पाती को नहीं
Nana told you.
मान गए
Usman here बैठा है.
It's bizarre.
Yeah, it's like a cutscene from a game, you know, like when characters go from here to there, like in Skyrim or Call of Duty. Dude, look who's driving. I can't even trust this guy. टाइट तो नहीं है?
इधर आ तेरे को मैं ये दिलाऊं इधर आ
Look at this. Okay, we're in a.
Here to meet something else.
I don't know. We're here
They
to
look
look for someone. This one looks like.
Bhai.
I don't know. We're in a complete different area right now.
We just came from,
Dude, I don't know how far we're gonna go.
right?
And it's so hot out here. I don't even know how.
I don't want to go back home.
Me too.
I'm hungry, man.
Oh man, dude, it's super hot weather. Like it's so crazy.
Hey, we are in a new place.
You could cook eggs over here, man, in the sun.
The heat. Oh my god, they're fat.
Yeah,
ये दोनों छः
there's a 6 lakh.
छः दाम
6 lakh?
ये वाला
It's the sand.
Thôi
ऐसा खड़ी
Hey, look at this.
नहीं तुम्हारे
Like this is nice.
2 lakh is, I think, 2 lakh and 50. I don't know, something like that. I really don't get it. You know, I don't have
What do you say?
2 lakh. I think
Yeah, I
it's
have no idea.
250. Yeah, I really don't know how to translate it. You know, I don't even know how to switch things up. But wow, look at them. They look how big they are, man. They look like pillows.
Come on, meat.
Yup. But they look really like pillows, man.
Nothing is.
सौदा बनाए देखे तो हमारी बात में समझ में आएगा तुम्हारे
चारों बाद में फिर
चार बार बस तुम नहीं लेके जाना
नक से बगैर नक ना तक हो नक का तो राख है इसका का नहीं
They're in the hot sun, man. They're kind of they're hot as hell. Like they're warm. Like which one to buy, man?
That one's mad.
Yeah. Doesn't like to be touched, huh?
Yeah, this one doesn't want to be touched.
ये 4 दांत है, ये 2 दांत है।
आप
इसके 2.60 बोल रहे हो, मैं 32 दांत हूँ और इसके 4.5.5 बोल रहे हैं।
वो भी देख रहे हैं
entertainer of the video.
इसी बात से
पूरा होए ना फिर तो डल जाएगा सारा पूरा करोगे
See what's happening. They're negotiating.
Yeah.
Be careful.
पूरा मसला है
फाइनल में फाइनल 240 इसके होंगे
Very, very intense.
समझ में बात
Completely quiet, you know. Negotiation is very serious.
दिन पूजन पूज स्टार्ट है चलो राजा आ जाओ
हाँ
आपके लिए लगाए हमने नहीं दे रहे
It's like adventure time, you know. Like completely, it's like an adventure.
I'm looking down and walking.
Yeah, because we don't know what we're gonna step on. Look at that.
Oh wow, look at that one, amazing.
Oh boy, that looks amazing. That cow looks yummy.
I think all of these are good, man.
Yo, that looks nice.
Yeah, on the top it is thing called
Negotiation time. Come on.
Okay, negotiation.
दांत कितना
Getting there. Right? We got 360 inspection by the professional.
Literally.
Literally the professional over here.
Very, very beautiful, man.
गरीब है वो इसको अभी पता
So right now we're like negotiating again, like we're still continuing to negotiate to get lower prices. But the thing is, with the cow, we like it, bro. It looks nice, you know. It looks like it's gonna give us a lot of steak because I'm a big fan of steak. Oh, bro, you bumped into the camera.
Oh, it's gonna make him walk.
Oh, they're gonna make him walk. Hold it, hold it, hold it. So yeah, this thing. Oh, look at a big stomach. You know, look at the big stomach on that thing. हाँ कितना?
चलो सही है
कितना?
Driver sab ले लिया.
365 में
365
365।
365.
तुम्हारे बैग में कुछ बज रहा है, क्या बज रहा है?
नहीं मेरा नहीं है.
पिक्चर
पता नहीं कहाँ से आ रहा है. बोतल होगा ये.
अबे मोबाइल बज रहा है, कुछ बज रहा
मोबाइल ही है.
है। बैग में कुछ है,
बोतल है. बोतल.
ये बोतल कर दी है।
हाँ प्रेशर ठंडी ठंडी. Well, anyways. Wow, look at that. That's a strong cow, bro. That's a strong one. But this thing is gonna give us so much meat. Doesn't mean that way. I don't mean that way. I'm talking about steak. Close it up, close it up. I really don't understand. You know, when they check their teeth, it makes no sense to me. Yeah. 怒ってるよな。絶対怒ってるよ。
तैयारी बैठ के तो निकला हुआ है सर
息がちょっと早すぎてもう今ちょっと怖いな。こう怒ってるかもしれないしさ。
鼻にあれやるとかわいそう。
ね、どうやってやってんだよあれ。
दो निकालना है 4 है 6
I don't know why the problem is the teeth all the time.
हाँ
What do you think? I think the amount of teeth just determines how old the either if the cow is an adult or still a child. I think so. Just like how babies or like kids, you know how we all took our teeth out. Ah shit, dust allergy. Check it out. On my left there's another restaurant. Blah. There's another restaurant in the back. Now we're on the other section of the cattle. Oh, look at the white one. That's beautiful. Wow, look at a pure white. Color देखा? Color.
इससे चिप होते और भी गुलाबी होते वो कैटल फार्म के तो महंगे होते
क्या होता है उसमें?
जी मतलब
उस गाय का क्या होता है?
उस गाय का 4.5 लाख मांग रहे उसके 6 दांत है 2 दांत पे कुर्बानी तो 4 दांत
That's understandable. Oh, Ramesh, look at that one. That one's bigger. Look at that. That one was bigger, dude. This guy. Yeah.
आ जाओ हाथ ला
वो ना यार देखो यार बड़ा है.
जाओ
It's a big one. Look at this.
मारेगा नहीं हाथ ला नहीं मारता नहीं हुआ
Look at that. This one's chill at least. Oh my god, look at this Effie.
याद रखा ये
Yeah? Look at that. Well, this one's very chill.
साथ में कोई भी बैठा हुआ रहा
Hmm?
साथ में कोई भी बैठा हुआ ये रहा
Ah. Good. I like this one.
खैर जो भी है
इतना शांत खड़ा बछड़ा तो लग नहीं रहा है
क्या बच्ची इससे ज्यादा वो होती है
वो है बछड़ा वो खड़ा
Okay, we got two experienced people fighting over.
वो नस्ल को देखते हैं
साथ में तो देखो हाँ वो पूरा उसको नहीं बोलना तो वो लगता है उसको मार दो मैं वो देखो भाई का नीचे बैठा हुआ देखता नहीं कोई पेन वाला
सोना दी अरे के ना दे
कितना 5 किलो गोश्त था
What is it?
I don't know, 4K?
Maybe.
100. Yo, what did you just do?
I don't know. I just poked him in the ass. This is kind of interesting, but still, I don't think I would be able to do that. I don't think I could manage the pricing and stuff. Yeah? I don't think I could do it. I don't know how to negotiate like this. Bro, he's threatening him. Bro was threatening him the whole time. He's like, if you don't give me under this.
Same question. Man, thak gaye.
Thak gaye? I don't know. It just takes so long to negotiate, man. Because that guy was asking for 10 lakh. That's how much is 10 lakh? I have no idea how much that is. Well, whatever it is, it's definitely popped up right in front of me. In the editing. This is the top view.
भाई
नहीं
दादू दाई भाई सुना ना आजमा
Where they're going?
चढ़ता ये संग चूतिया था यार
ए
ना वे
Hey, Ramesh.
sitting on the temple
Yeah, you are. Show them where I am. Where are?
कितनी बची बचा
I'm literally on top of the freaking van. Where get over here?
अच्छा मैं लास्ट ला के 10 जेबी बनी हुआ
I got the back
वहाँ से
I hold it backwards not like that bro
Hey, look at that.
different way your arm is on the screen
No.
yeah
वे दाउनी सा
With that hand.
चलाने सीधा कपड़ा
अच्छा
हाँ ये
Alright, we're on top of the Suzuki. That one, we're literally on this thing.
मजा आ गया
टांगे
गिरे तो नहीं पकड़ते रहना
जिसम गया तो टांगे तो अपने आप जाएगी
This is insane.
Maybe.
ये एक बात होती है मैं कहा चूचा हुआ दोनों साथ मिल के ये तो ये और वो दूसरे पागल है दोनों
Much later.
They got their keys stuck in the car. They're in the truck. He's picklocking it open. Oh, wait. खोल दिया.
لا بل كولر روم شاده كده
لا سيد ده اما كده كده راولا كولا وصلت لبعض فوق
दो जाता
Screwdriver.
ये सारी से कुछ कितनी निकल
अब पटाई नहीं दबाओ करा वापस
लांदी गेट में भी खुला हुआ
ये बैग अंदर रख दूंगा
That's another big one, but I'm so tired to talk in the day. It's so hot.
Deve a moto diri bu. Ya dona.
55 घंटे में पहुंचा आज 12
तो डबल है कितना का हो जाएगा बढ़िया किसी को बोलता 3 55 घंटे का कसर हम लोगों से नहीं निकाल सकते अब बेचने वाले हम लेने वाले 25 का होता ना हम आपको हम लोग अभी जितने भी लिए पंजाब वाले से लिए माल
क्या किए थे
5.5 की 5
आप बहुत कम लगा रहे
नहीं
हैं
लगा।
आप रेट लगाओगे ना फिर आप रास्ता देगा तो
नहीं हमने रेट कोई गलत नहीं लगाया गलत लगाए हुए फिर आपको बोले वो कि हमने गलत लगाया
के साथ में जैसे आप हो ना ताकतवर इधर आओ ना
हम तो रखोगी हमारा सिर्फ पेट है
इधर आओ ना
इस बेचारे का भी पेट अभी भरा नहीं है नहीं नहीं सही है
बिल्कुल शरीफ है कुछ नहीं बोलता लाई दे रहे
3.20 ले लो
फाइनल हुए तुम्हारे लिए 4 लाख
बोला हम कभी भी आपका साथ हुआ
हम ये
नहीं
कह रहे हैं आप खाली नहीं जाओ ले जाओ
हमको एक छोटा बछड़ा चाहिए एक वो अलग ये जो काला ये जो छोटा
करो.
Just do it, bro. Just do it.
How is it? Dude, we finally decided our cow.
Yung the bayou we. That's one of the Bangadi.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's angry. So we decided these two.
Man,
Shukar
that's
hai.
a long day. At least like 5 hours.
Took us a lot of hours.
Half
What
of the
time
day.
is it? Yeah. What time is it right now? It's like 5 already.
I'm not kidding.
Yeah, it's now shitting. Although I was gonna pet it though. I'll show you. Okay, at least finally we got it. What do you think about it, Ramiz? Here.
Yeah, it's good. What? Yeah, it's good. It's nice.
How's the accomplishment after a long day? Dude, how long has it take?
Half day.
Yeah, because right now, the current time, hold on, let me just look it up.
सही है
Current time is, actually you cannot see, now you can. It's 5 o'clock already.
Yeah.
It's That's a whole day. Look at this. These two, this one and this one is gonna be ours. Not definitely.
हम आखिर में मार रहे हो यार
तुम जाओगे?
साथ घर
के साथ ही आ जाना।
नहीं नहीं घर जा रहे हैं साथ
हमारे साथ? हमारे साथ जा रहे हो?
यार फोन लिया है 0.5 यार फोन लिया है 0.5 Goat Mandi 2026, wow. We are now here at the goat cattle. Let's see where these guys are going. I will follow them. I love goats. Oh my god, this guy's beautiful. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's amazing. çok kawaii, 見て. I wonder how much they are. They can be above, no, like.
I think they can be above it. They'll be. Kawaii, ne?
Ouch. Bro, stepped on my feet. Wow, kawaii. Man, I love goats. Looks like we're going inside to check them. Hello, Mister. This guy looks nice. Hey, कितने का हो रहा है? एक बकरा कितने का होता है?
पूछा नहीं, कुछ नहीं बताया।
आप बताओ कितने का?
एक बकरा 65।
One goat is for 65 rupees.
64 रुपीस। एक ही रेट है। 8 बकरे ले ले।
They're all getting scared. They're all getting scared because the owner hits them with the stick.
Sounds unique.
Right? Yo, that's pretty. I don't want to sacrifice them. You know? They need a ton on over there. Oh, I remember we had someone like this. You know, before, last year? I think it was last year.
Look at this one.
This one's cute.
वो सही है फिर वो सही।
There's a garbage in my eye. I can't even do it because my hand is dirty. You get an
We
infection.
do have a soap, but then we don't have water.
खाना सारी क्या करूँ मरे किधर गया मुनीर ये जो ला रहा है
I think they already decided where to buy it from, but they're still checking out.
कितना का पूछा हुआ खुदा खाते वरना था खुशी में टमाटर खाओगे खाना मंगवाऊँ चेक कर लो चेक करो उसको
So this right here is called samosa. It's a triangular deep fried. You could say it's deep fried. This is a deep fried snack. This is a deep fried snack that you can pretty much get anywhere in this country. Yeah. So it's like crunchy. You could say it. See? Zoom in. As you can see, it's just potato inside it, and then this is called chutney. It's like a sauce that actually adds more flavor. And there's like, and you can see this chaat masala on it to make things a little spicy. It's not that spicy. Also, it's really good though. We just got this from that guy over there, as you can see. We were hungry, so you know, they got us this. It's worth it. I mean, we didn't eat anything other than breakfast, you know, so, and it's already 6, I think. So it's kind of, you know, nice to eat something like this after a long day of being in a kettle and finding a cow. Now we're at the goat, which is gonna be faster, so I just need water now. It turns out they
Looks like they bought it.
Yeah, they accepted the bargain.
It was 60, but my dad's friend said 59.
Oh, that one tried to run away. You saw that?
He's out of the matrix.
Yeah. That thing woke up.
He woke up, bhai.
रखा तो बताता था हाँ तो पर याद कर अब तो रसा खाने जाता है कम हुए मागा वो नहीं कम भाई बोले
I don't like it, man, when they...
Hold them like that.
Yeah.
I don't like it too.
I think the goat is for them.
Yeah, the goat is for
Right? We only got the cow.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we got the beautiful one. They got it now, he's holding it, see? Oh, oh, that guy jumped out. He jumped out.
ये चरपाई के साथ बांधते जाओ
Oh, look at that. The unique one.
Yeah, he got the unique one too.
That means they're aiming for it.
सलोर वश का ना कीरा दाय हो दाय जाओ गोरा स्पिन वो पाँच हुआ
Nona, Nona.
चार पंज
How many are they gonna buy? 59,000 for how many? 6 of them?
1, 2, 3. How much is that? 5, 6. Dang.
After 6 of them. 7? 6, 7? How many are they gonna buy? 9 or 10?
ये वाला
Don't try and escape again.
ये वही कीरा है यार सही कैसा रहा है वाला
Damn, bro.
They're like, we're going to a field trip. That means they're like, we're going to field trip.
Hmm.
The professionals. Never
I'm
mind.
checking if it's some damage, you know?
Oh.
See? We caught it.
क्या हो गए गाड़ी में सही दे रहा
दाना था
ये दाना इसका क्या है?
मालूम हो रहा नहीं उसका दिल मान रहा दूसरा ले लो भले ले ले
We don't want a sick one.
To the dana. Kimbo?
Rash.
आओ गोरे सलाम आ दो कोई ना बाहर
Yeah, 8.
भगा के दुका के
8 goats.
हाँ दो मेरे जेब में ए लगो चलो पता लगेगा पता देखो वो नहीं हुई
आँख मत देखो इधर आ जाओ रोड पे सब पर
इधर बाहर सामने डंडा पास से रहो ले पकड़ वाला
अभी बकरों के साथ खड़ा होकर जाओगे
हमारी बंद हो जाती है ना ऐड कर लो। मट्टी दे क्या हम 10 दिन पहले लाते लेकिन इस बार हाँ ये देख रुमाल अभी चला जाता पकड़ के बेच इधर दे दे वही बोल दो नीचे बैठ गया मार निकाल सही है बैठ गया Should I take it? Yeah. अभी हैट उड़ जाएगा मेरा मगर टाइट क्या है We're with the goats. I'm the goat as well, so there's 9 goats. Get it?
Ushi mani sushi. Ushi khushu machi.
नहीं उसी जगह का उसी
Arigatou gozaimasu.
चलो इतना तो बताए ना
शुक्रिया।
नहीं, इसको ये सिखाओ लड़की को
You from? Yeah.
ये
ना मेरे को।
अबे मुझे क्यों मार रहे हो
बस बस मेरा बच्चा कुछ भी नहीं है। ये बकरे ले लिए।
नीचे केटल तो आ गई है नीचे केटल तो आ गई ये रहा नीचे नीचे
अच्छा वो भी
हाँ केटल तो
Record me, bro. This guy, this goat right here, he's hitting me, bro, and right in my D.
Yeah, that's what I was suffering from.
This guy might eat me. It's a good boy, man. Good boy. This is sick. अबे क्यों मार रहा है मुझे?